Hi, it's Protoskill here with what fuck it. The Airsoft Survival Kit or something like that. What you're gonna want to have is probably some binoculars and a couple of guns. I have to choose from this one, my new Pulse R72, this one, my kinda old Pulse R71, this one, I have no idea what the fuck it's called, but my airsoft sniper. And then you should also have a pistol, which is this. For clothes, you should probably wear like camo and like camo pants, but I just have jeans on. And then, probably gonna want to have some face protection, which I have right here. Yeah, that's a good idea. And some gloves, and you should probably wear boots and socks. Socks are useful. Well, I guess that's it. So go kick some people's asses.